Is stress making you bold yet?
Not yet, but that day isn't far away. How are you, Ashok?
It's good da Masha. How's your Rahodam officer da? Mine is same as tree.
He seems hard to impress. You know what? Rajiv is here.
Who? Rajiv from the academia.
Yeah, him. I am afraid he hasn't changed.
Don't let him mess with you da Kadi.
We are doing test trials for a new super fast engine.
Which model Masha?
It's a top secret mission. The loco is camouflaged for tests today. It's a small team, me, my officer and an engineer named Kavita.
Who is that Kavita da?
Bye Ashok, I gotta go.
If you cut the call without telling me, I swear I will.
Satada sir said you may not come on time.
I was late one time, but he will never stop mentioning that, I guess.
First impressions matter. Hi, I'm Kavita. I'm the loco engineer.
Hi.
Karthik. Satada sir informed me you are on the team.
Hello. I was always on the team. You are the one who's joining new.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Is there anything I need to know about the mission today?
We are performing the final trials of the new loco. It's a matter of pride for India. We have achieved great results so far. If today's test goes well, we may end up breaking the old speed record.
What is the current record?
The current speed record is 206 kilometers per hour in 60 seconds. We have to break that today.
That sounds very challenging.
Yes, but we are positive. Look, Satada sir has come. Let's get into the loco.
Kavita, when I tell you, start the countdown. Karthik, as soon as the timer starts, push the throttle to full. The route is cleared for us. All speed limits are disabled. Our goal is to break the speed record in 45 seconds or less. Are you both ready? On my countdown. 3, 2, 1, start.
Fantastic effort team. We have done it.
Karthik, bring the train technology. Final train won't get to the surface. The loco is ready for service.
Yeah, it was thrilling to drive, sir.
Everyone on the mission today has received a Fremont certificate of today's speed record. Here is your copy.
Thanks, sir.
Station master just confirmed to me that minister has accepted our invitation for inaugural run of the loco.
That's great news, sir.
We should start preparing for inauguration. It will be a special day for us all.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. I am not feeling so great today.
What's wrong, sir?
Just feeling a little feverish.
That's not good.
Yeah, so I guess you are doing your first solo trip today.
Oh, sir, I didn't realize that.
Can you do me a favor?
Definitely, sir. What is it?
When you return back to Chennai later today, you have a stop at Arakkonam.
Yes, sir.
Can you collect a package for me? Someone will come and meet you at the engine.
Okay, sir. I will collect it.
Thanks, have a safe trip. Hello, you must be Karthik.
Yeah, hello.
I am Mr. Sathida Taylor. Here is the package.
Thanks. Is that it?
Yes, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
What's
Just
that?
yeah. So
Oh,
can you
Definitely.
when you return
Yes.
can you collect it?
Okay,
Thanks. Hello.
Yeah.
I am
Tha-
yes.
Karthik here.
Hello Karthi.
How are you feeling, sir? Your voice sounds bad.
I am not feeling any better. I am afraid I cannot be there for the inauguration tomorrow.
But sir, you are being felicitated. We were looking forward to this day so much.
Such is life. It is okay. That is why I want you to be there instead of me. You will drive the inaugural run.
Sir, but how? I can't do it without you.
You must. Station master suggested Rajivar's name, but I insisted it must be you.
Sir, I don't know what to say.
Oh, by the way, I hope you have a suit.
I don't, sir.
Never mind. The package you collected has a coat I stitched for the inauguration. Keep it. Wear the coat.
For the last 6 months, after multiple trials and due to tireless work of our engineers, we successfully completed just last week. Under the guidance of Mr. Sathidar, Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar and Engineer Kavita Bhatt. Together they have shattered the India speed record and made the world turn. Since Sathidar couldn't join us today, I request Mr. Karthik Kumar to come forward to receive this medal. Now I will travel from Bangalore to Vaniambadi in this new creation.
Good morning, Beta. I have always wanted to travel in the Loco cabin. My dream has finally come true. Is that the horn? Shall I press it? Aha! What an awesome sound! How do you guys drive in rain, Beta? Point me to the wiper. I will turn it on. It's quite cool. You can turn it off now. Beta, is this the headlight? Wow! So bright even during daytime. Thanks for indulging me, Beta. My curiosity got the better of me.
Hello.
Hello sir, how are you doing?
I have taken a medical leave. I don't know when I will return.
You'll be okay sir. I wish you were there, sir. The minister praised you so much.
Thank you, Karthik. Rajendran informed me you will be partnering with Rajiv starting tomorrow. Do not let him boss you around.